Good morning, welcome back to Shark Chains. I'm Raghavan. Now we will see about Nifty support and resistance, Sensex support and resistance, few weekly calls to trade, and one delivery call to buy. Nifty will be having a support at 5660, 5650, 5630, and last support is at 5590. It will be having a resistance around 5750, 5720, 5738, 5745, 5760 and 5780. Sensex will be having a support around 19,140, 19,080, 19,000. It will be having a resistance around 19,240, 19,315, 19,360, 19,400 and 19,450. Now we will see about weekly calls. First, sell calls. You can sell Asian Paints with a stop loss of 500 rupees for a target of 440. Asian Paints closed at 472.80. It's a weekly call. Next weekly call is you can sell Bharti Airtel with a stop loss of 347 rupees for a target of 320 rupees. Bharti Airtel closed at 336 rupees 30 paisa. A last call in sell. You can sell Dr. Reddy's with a stop loss of 2,275 for a target of 2,100 rupees. Dr. Reddy's closed at 2,209 rupees. Now buy calls, weekly buy calls. You can buy Reliance Infra with a stop loss of 308 rupees for a target of 360 rupees. Reliance Infra closed at 324 rupees 50 paisa in NSE. Next call is you can buy HDFC Bank with a stop loss of 615 rupees for a target of 660 rupees. It closed at 632 in NSE. Last call in our buy call, you can buy Tata Steel with a stop loss of 198 rupees for a target of 225 rupees. Tata Steel closed at 207 rupees 90 paisa in NSE. All these calls are weekly calls. If you are using this for intraday purposes, use a stop loss of 0.5% from your buying and shorting price. Shorting carrying over can be done only in futures. It cannot be done in cash market. Now we will see about today's delivery call. Britannia Industries. Right now it's trading around 735 rupees. The target for this stock is 1,500 rupees in next 1 to 2 years. The stock can dip to 532 to 435 rupees. Now we will see about the stock, fundamentals, market cap, everything. Market cap of the company is close to 8,700 crores. PE ratio is 37.5, whereas industry PE ratio is 37.4. So it's trading near its industry PE. Book value is 53 rupees 57 paisa. Price to book is close to 13 times. Price to cost is close to 30. EPS is close to 19. Face value of the company is 2 rupees and dividend distribution is close to 425%. That is, they're giving close to 8 rupees as a dividend. Dividend yield is 1.16%. The stock already given 59% return for the past 1 year. 1 year back it's traded at 460 rupees. In 6 months also it has given a return of 57%. It's traded at 467 and 1 month return is close to 9.5%. In 1 month back it is available at 671. Now we will see about promoters holding, mutual funds holding, everything. Promoters are holding close to 50.8% in the company. Others are holding close to 19%. FIs are holding close to 19%. And DIs are holding close to 11%. These others are LIC is holding close to 3.95% in the company. Morgan Stanley is holding 1.23%. Tiger Global Fund, that is Mauritius Fund, is holding close to 2.23% in the company, and GIC of India is holding 1.13%. That is General Insurance Corporation of India is holding 1.13% in this company. Addison Partners is holding close to 8.9% in the company. Everybody will know about Britannia, it's into FMCG. Now what is the thing is, don't buy immediately. Start to accumulate it. You can get even 10% in next 1 to 2 months. But the thing is, you can lose close to 20% also. So first start accumulating the stock. Buy slowly the stock. The stock can dip till 532 to 435 rupees. Now we'll see about the 30-day moving average and 50-day moving average. The company is coming close to 690 rupees. So until it is not breaking this one, there is no problem. Then 150-day moving average is 577. 200-day moving average is close to 570. So this stock can dip if something goes wrong close to 200-day moving average also. So start to accumulate the stock. Target for the stock is 1500 rupees. Keep in mind that the stock can come to 532 also, to 430 also. Like that, you keep it in mind and accumulate. For more information, visit our website www.chargein.com. If you have any queries, post in our YouTube video itself. Thank you.